een'thu thuyt, the lelumst. Gonna sqe'uq, sqe'uq na kweyul. So thuyt, huy'thustham'shusulh gonna lelum. Ashtut thuy'tuhw. Salid lelum. Nilh thuyt. Yuthust gonna sqe'uq, kwutst thuyt lelum. Tun'a kweyul, een'thu, snuw'uyulh. Nanulh xe'xe'st-hwus, mustimuhw. Lemma niilh thuyt lelum. Tun'a kweyul, hul'q'umi'num snuw'uyulh. Niilh the next day go connected mustimuhw. Sqwal, xe'xe'st-hwus. Well, I was the one that built the Longhouse, Of course, I had help. My late brother, he's gone now. I even had the police working with me, helping us build the Longhouse. Because I was involved with, I was the one that more or less straightened them out. They hated our people, but I straightened them out. And they helped me when I was building the Longhouse. As I said before, that house is sacred, and that's part of our culture, which we're just about losing. That's where our culture begins, in a Longhouse, teachings and stuff like that. That's why I built it. I still believe in my culture, my teachings and stuff like that. And that's why I built the Longhouse. I know some of our people weren't too happy with it, but I never listened. I kept on building it. A lot of these people that were against it, they're all coming to me now and want to learn more of our culture.